Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to monetize Facebook account. So first of all, what I'm going to do, if you want to monetize your Facebook page, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click at the bottom right corner, and I'm going to just go ahead and click on the pages. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just switch to this page right here by clicking on it, and then just click switch in the highlighted blue at the bottom right corner, right? And you're going to switch to that page, right? And now you're gonna see this is your home feed and everything. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the bottom right corner right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the professional dashboard, right? In the professional dashboard, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to the tools, and you're gonna see an option that allows you to monetize, right? If you're eligible, explore more ways to earn money on Facebook, click on it, right? And basically you're gonna see right here multiple options to actually monetize your Facebook account. And here it says you're not yet eligible, right? If we click right here to the stars, and you'll be able to see right here you can earn money with stars, right? The more people interact with you, the better chance that you will earn a lot of money, right? You can connect with fans, be creative and authentic. And here it says you're not meeting you don't meet the Facebook policy or monetization policy. Your Facebook page, at least it needs to have 500 followers in 30 days, right? So I'm gonna go back right here, and it says the ads on reels and bonuses, live ads, and in-stream ads. And you're gonna see the blue lock inside, or the blue lock in next to every one of them. And that means that I haven't yet unlocked, or I'm not eligible yet because of my country, or there's a specific countries to be eligible for that, or maybe I haven't checked the boxes only. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.